May U-turn lang po ako, ma'am.
Alright, see ya. Let's go. First plan, hit us up. Let's go find a Starbucks. Hot chocolate time. Let's go. I'll go, my friend. Hi there, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to the vlog. For today's vlog, I'll be testing out the Canon 200d and we'll be doing a street photography here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, before that, we gotta do some test shots. By the way, for today's episode, I'm with my two brothers, JR and Bugs. Bugs is back in the vlog. It's a vlog favorite. Say hi to the camera, Bugs. He's the dakilang assistant. He's holding now my bag and my other hot choco. And yeah, so far we'll be testing this out. 1, 2, 3 and go. Okay, so far these are the view. Alright. Okay guys, now we're in the bridge here, crossing going to Caesar's Palace and the Bellagio. I'll try to take some photos of the traffic right now. So there's the Mirage. We'll be going there later. Flamingo. Holy crap. The bridge is actually moving. Let's go.
Right? See, I told you I'm not losing my mind.
Okay, what the hell just happened? Okay, earlier the bridge was crazy. It's moving, man. I thought JR was hallucinating and all, but yeah, I was taking photos earlier. It's moving. We're on our way to the fountain, but there's no show. Let's go, let's go. Apparently there's Spider-Man and Deadpool here.
The sun glares so much.
What?
The glare from the sun is too much.
Okay, right now we're here in front of the Bellagio. As you can see, there's no water show yet because it's in the afternoon. Most of the time, the water shows here are around 6 in the evening onwards, every 30 or 15 minutes. And it's actually a great show. It's one of the places that people actually go here in Vegas. Let's take a photo of it. It's hard to take with the sun glare.
Oh, you noticed.
I think we need to change location. That side. Let's go transfer lang. Now we're here on the better side of the Bellagio. Since on our first side there was the sun glare and all, we're having a hard time to get a good shot. Now we're actually at the center of it. So here. One, two, three. Actually good. Look at this. It's actually good. Not bad, right? Oh, pogi. Oh, pogi ni Bugs ah. Ang ganda, Bugs oh.
Bigay mo sa akin.
Kahit din ako natuwa eh. I'm actually surprised. The shot was good.
Alright.
Not bad, not bad. One take yun ah.
Okay.
Alright. What the hell?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
We go to another place. That looks nice. Nothing in the Philippines.
Gag.
Alright, we'll just have a detour here in the bridge because as you can see, the traffic is nice, the lines, I don't know what I'm talking about, I just want to take photos.
Okay, go.
Other side, other side.
Hi, you want to get a picture together?
We got at it up you, and I'll do the same. Carry on.
Go. Okay. I hope I don't get copyrighted in this. Come on. Okay. Just camera takeover. I'm gonna let the brother take photos. He's actually a photographer. I think he is. Do you think he is? Yeah, I think he is. Yeah, he took classes. Probably knows it. Hi guys, yeah, we're back. We're here in the next location. As you can see, we have New York, MGM, Mandalay Bay, and Caesar's Palace around in this side of the strip. Let's walk around, take a picture. And we have 1 hour of daylight left. Okay, just another test shot again, test shot. I'm taking photo.
Oh, you're taking a photo of me. I thought you were taking something.
Okay, yeah, hi guys. Yeah, another camera takeover. I'll let Bugs take care of today's episode. Not really, but you know, he's a good photographer and he'll take the rest of the photos for today's episode. Lion. Okay, this is a good spot for the MGM brand. Are you recording?
Yes.
It's moving right now.
Yeah, right
The
now.
bridge.
I know.
We'll do it fast. 1, 2. Go. Okay, so far so good. Photography vlog is okay. We had a long walk. We came from where? Planet Hollywood. Now we're here.
I think we were farther than Planet
Yeah,
Hollywood.
we were farther in Are you
Bally's?
recording right now?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. I think yeah, we were
Bally's. That's up, really.
Actually, we didn't go inside Bally's.
Yeah, but we were outside.
Yeah,
So
outside.
it's still technically haunted.
Now
Okay.
we're here in Caesar's Palace. I don't think we can go to Mandalay Bay.
Yeah.
We're running
so
out of
far.
daylight.
So far.
So yeah, there's that. Now we just need to take photo of the roller coaster. You have to wait. We're here right now standing, waiting for the roller coaster to come to get a good picture of it. We're in the middle of the bridge and it's actually moving.
How about
It's kind of scary.
The one my heart is going to wait, I want to wait. Wait, I want to wait. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock. Tico tick, oh tico 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 tock.
Okay, so we'll be ending today's vlog. Earlier on the bridge, while on the way here, there were just two black dudes that came up to us. They handed us what? 2 CDs, right?
their
2
mixtape?
CDs. Then after giving us the CDs,
They asked us to pay.
They quote unquote they sign it, then asking us to, hey, come on, tip man. what the hell?
Look
Too
up.
bad this guy never recorded it. But
Oh,
yeah.
sorry, I was caught in the moment.
Oh, well, yeah, that's that. Glad we're safe. Now we have here Vogs. That was awkward.
I
Okay,
still remember.
anyway, yeah. There's only 30 minutes of daylight, and there's
Might
you
as
know,
well just finish.
might as well just end it for today's episode.
To be
So
continued.
guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Okay, this dinner cost us $30. 900 pesos. No, not really. Joke lang. 1,500 pesos. 6 pieces chicken. Mahal!